What's up, guys? Yeah, today we're gonna compare a $3 Rubik's Cube versus a $60 Rubik's Cube. So let's get right into this. First of all, the $3 Rubik's Cube is not actually a Rubik's Cube, but it's $3 or approximately that. This cube is terrible. Bear the corner cuts. You have fear of the cube breaking when you corner cut it. It's kind of hard to make algorithms on it, but it's not that bad. And now, let's see the $60 Rubik's Cube. This cube is amazing. Whoa. You see those end moves? I messed up an H pin. It's so fast. Great. And we're gonna compare them. Okay, so I've been playing with these cubes for quite a while now, and I can see that this cube is way better, but not only way better, it is way better. And it's not only way better, it is way better, so it's better. And this cube is also good for OH, even if I'm terrible at OH, it's still great. This cube is quite terrible, honestly. I think it's a Shang-Shao Rubik's Cube, but can't be sure of it because didn't say the name of it on Amazon. Okay, so this cube is actually a disgrace to the name cube, a Rubik's Cube I mean, because cube is a cube, obviously. Now, and this cube isn't only bad, it's just bad. I mean, it's terrible, it's just bad. Like, you know, I keep saying that it's bad, but it is bad. So, just trust me, it's bad. Now for some example solves. So I've been playing with this cube for quite a while now, and even longer than before. And it's even worse than I expected. This is solved really quick. Okay, just don't look at my cross. My cross is trash. "22 seconds. Disgrace." Okay, so not only does this cube have terrible recognition because it's white, no offense, that's not racist or anything, but honestly, I think recognition on white cubes are, I mean, they're not too bad, but they're great also. So this cube is slow, doesn't have great cord cutting, recognition is bad, so basically everything with this cube is bad, except for its price, it's $3. Okay, so I've been playing this cube for quite a while now, and I've been getting quite a lot of good solves recently with this cube because it's really good. Okay, so I've been getting quite a lot of good solves recently with this cube. Even if it just gave me an F perm, which is terrible. Oh, that was bad. Okay, no, not terrible, just overshoot it, but not that bad. Okay, so this is like 16 seconds, terrible. I can do better than that, honestly. Okay, so I've been playing with even more of this cube, and now it is my main without a doubt. What? Okay, sorry for that fake rage. That was just random, if you could say. Yeah. Okay, so this solve is gonna not actually that good at 3 anymore. enough. Let's just say this never happened.